everyone, it's Tita Chinita and today we're going to make Korean tteokbokki. So I don't know about you, pero ako pag nanood ako ng K-drama, magkikrave ako ng Korean food. And this is a dangerous line of thought kasi ang una ko agad naisip is samgyeopsal. Magkano yung samgyeopsal? 500 ang isang tao. And pag nandun ka na, syempre isipin mo, kailangan ko ma-maximize yung 500. Ang dami mong meat na makakain and this is not good for your health. So I'm here to teach you a simple and affordable recipe that will satisfy your Korean food craving, and that is the Korean tteokbokki. So these are the ingredients that we need. We have rice cakes and fish cakes. We have water. We have gochujang, soy sauce, chili powder, and brown sugar. So the first thing that we need to do is to get the saucepan and put the water in. This is a half cup to 3/4. Depende kung gaano ka-saucy gusto mo yung tteokbokki. So let's put that in. And then put in 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of gochujang. So habang hinihintay natin mag-boil yung gochujang mixture, let's talk about the rice cakes and the fish cakes. So you can buy this sa mga Korean supermarket. This usually come in 1 kilo packs. So what I do is dinidivide ko yung laman ng 1 kilo packs into 10 tubs like this. So this is helpful para every time mag-crave ka ng tteokbokki, kukunin mo na lang sa ref yung isang tub, tapos ready to cook ka na. Unlike kung magde-defrost ka pa, tatanggalin mo pa siya sa bag every time. So this would make your life easier. So nagbo-boil na yung ating mixture. Pwede na nating ilagay yung rice cakes and fish cakes. So nalagay na natin yung rice cakes and fish cakes. You just need to wait mga 3 to 5 minutes para maluto yung mga rice cakes. So pag malapit na maluto, we also put chili powder. Pero I suggest na tikman nyo muna kasi medyo maanghang na rin yung gochujang. Kung kailangan pa, I usually put 4 dashes. Pero depends on your preference kung gano'n yung kaanghang siya gustong maging. And yung gusto nating consistency ng sauce ng tteokbokki is medyo malapot. So kailangan lang nating i-reduce yung sauce through heat. So our tteokbokki is ready. So this is the basic recipe for tteokbokki, but you can also add in cheese, boiled eggs, or green onions kung gusto nyo yun. So let's talk numbers. So ang magagastos nyo dun sa fish cake, sa rice cake, and dun sa gochujang, ang nagastos ko 625. So divided by 10 tubs, 62.50. Plus, we had other ingredients, yung sugar, yung soy sauce. So, i-round up na lang natin siya to 70 pesos. So, for 70 pesos, masasatisfy mo na yung K-food craving mo. So, 500 pesos na samgyeopsal versus 70 pesos na tteokbokki. Pwede na to, di ba? So, syempre, walang cooking show na walang tikiman portion. So, let's try it out. Syempre, masarap. So, tama lang yung tamis na nanghang niya. Very flavorful yung gochujang. Medyo mahilig kasi ako sa maanghang, pero try it out muna without chili powder. If kulang yung anghang, tsaka kayo magdagdag. So, that's it for today's video. Let me know in the comment section kung itatry nyo itong recipe to. If you like this kind of content, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Totoo mukbang yata to eh. So kung hindi mo alam yung cooking with the dasa, salamat na lang sa lahat.